Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 2 of the Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations. Now if you haven't checked out part 1 on my channel, it is the skincare edition where I share with you guys the top 5 skincare products that I would recommend to get on the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, which are on great discounts. And in this video I'm going to share with you guys makeup products that that I would want to recommend to you guys, and all of these makeup products are on great discounts as well. So this is the perfect time to grab any of the makeup products that you've been meaning to buy. And in this video I'm going to share with you guys the top 5 makeup products that have worked beautifully for me. And I also have an affordable version, like I've created an affordable version for my Instagram. So if you want to check out an affordable makeup version, then definitely go check that one out. I will leave my Insta handle in the description, on the screen, everywhere. And in this video I'm going to share with you guys random. Now these are not like really affordable, but these are like budget friendly makeup products only. So all of these makeup products are on great discounts. I have checked the website, so only after that I am recommending these products to you guys, and they have worked beautifully for me. So without making the intro any more longer, let's get started. So the first product that I want to share with you guys is the PAC Spotlight Ready Liquid Concealer. Now this is such a beautiful concealer. This is very comparable to a lot of high-end concealers as well. I've used the Born This Way concealer. Yeah, this is very close to that as well, and this is such a beautiful concealer. Honestly, this is very full coverage, like full coverage. It will cover up everything. So if you are someone who's been wanting to get a full coverage concealer for events and weddings and festivals and all of that, then definitely check this out. This is again on 10 to 15% off on Nykaa. I'm in the shade 010 Mocha. This is perfect for me. The only issue that this one has, that it will crease under your eyes. So if you are someone who has like really creasy under eyes that crease a lot, I don't know if creasy is a word, but if you are someone who has under eyes that crease a lot, then this will crease. So what you have to do is use the tiniest amount, and since this is a full coverage concealer, even the tiniest amount will give you a lot of coverage. So this concealer does crease on me, so what I do is I use the tiniest amount, and I make sure I set it with a translucent powder, and then I'm good to go. Like, I absolutely love this concealer. This is such a beautiful concealer, but I only use this for videos or for big festival, like for occasions, for weddings and all of that. I don't use this on a regular basis, but again, this is a beautiful concealer. If you've been meaning to get a high coverage concealer that works like the high-end concealers, then definitely get your hands on this. The next product that I want to recommend is something that has become my favorite recently, and it is the K-Beauty highlighter. Oh my god, K-Beauty products are really good. Okay, I've used a couple of products from the brand, not a couple, like I've used 5-6 products from the brand, and I absolutely love all of the products, but this one has my heart. This is a K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Sunlit Gold. This is a beautiful highlighter. It is perfect for medium to wheatish skin tone. I absolutely love this highlighter, and I think I got this for 720 something, but abhi ye 599 पे, which is a great deal. K-Beauty ज़्यादा discount पे नहीं जाता है. You usually get it for 719 only, 10% ही off रहता है. But this is for 599, and if you have been wanting to get a highlighter that works beautifully, then definitely get this one. This also is quite long lasting. It is not chunky at all. It makes your face look really nice and beaming. It makes your skin look really nice and glowy. It is not a very in your face highlighter, but it is not very subtle as well. It is just in between. It is the perfect highlighter for my liking. Like, I really like highlighters that are in between. Why am I saying concealer? But yeah, my point is, I really like highlighters that are not too much and not too subtle as well, right in between, so that you can control the amount that you use, and you can control the amount of highlight that you want. That is the kind of highlighter this is. I absolutely love it. There's only good things that I can say about this highlighter. This highlighter is not chunky at all. It is so finely milled, like so supremely finely milled. You won't even feel anything on your skin when you apply it. You won't feel like you're applying anything. It is so buttery, so smooth. I don't don't know how they formulated this. It is just so smooth. You'll feel like you're applying a high-end, like a luxurious highlighter. It almost gives that kind of a feeling, and that is why I absolutely love this. The next product that I have here is the L'Oreal Colorish lipstick. Now I have this in the shade Divine Mocha. This is a beautiful lipstick. It is a brown shade. So if you are someone who likes brown nudes or browns in general, I really like browns and brown nudes in my skin tone. So if you are someone who likes browns in their lipstick, then you can definitely check this one out. And now why I want to recommend this to you guys is because this is really matte, but it is so comfortable. Since it is a bullet lipstick, it is very comfortable on the lips. You will not even know that you're wearing a lipstick. It's very comfortable. I absolutely enjoy using this. This is not very long lasting, like not supremely long lasting like your liquid mattes, but this is quite long lasting. Now if you eat oily food and all of that, then this will move, but I am someone who does not fidget with her lips a lot, so lipsticks do last on me quite well. Even if you are someone जिस पे lipstick ज़्यादा टिकता नहीं है, you can still go for this. This will last like 3 to 4 hours and you can always touch up. But this is a beautiful formula, okay? This is very creamy, but it will not look creamy on your lips. It it just settles in matte. It will not make your lip creases very visible or anything of that sort, and it is not very dehydrating like your liquid mattes. Now a lot of people do like matte lipstick, but they don't prefer the liquid ones because it is very dehydrating. It makes your lips feel very dry and dehydrated, which is not a good sight and which is not a good feeling as well. So in that case, I would definitely recommend checking the L'Oreal one out. Now again, this is also on a great discount, somewhere around 450, which is a steal. Honestly, for 450, such a beautiful lipstick is a steal. So the next product that I have here is the Fla Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. I've heard really good things about this mascara and I wanted to give it a shot, and it is for it is hyped for the right reasons. Honestly, you guys, this is such a beautiful mascara. This will lengthen your lashes, it will curl your lashes, it will add adequate amount of volume as well. So if you are someone who has like really straight and short lashes, then this will work perfectly for you. I have like straight and short lashes, so I always look for mascaras that lengthen and curl my lashes, but again this also adds volume, so you get everything in one single pack. Now I have a few mascaras that will only add volume and not curl my lashes, and then there are mascaras that only curl and add a little bit of length but no volume at all, but this does everything. And yeah, be great discount पे भी है. This one retail for somewhere around 800 something. I got it for somewhere around 700, but right now ये 500 कुछ है, which is 100% worth it if you are looking for a good mascara that will make your lashes look like fake lashes. Like if you are someone who does not wear eyeliner and सिर्फ lashes on a daily basis, सिर्फ mascara on a daily basis, and you want your lashes to look really nice and voluminous and big and beautiful, then definitely go for this one. So the last product that I have here is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint. I don't know why a lot of people don't talk about this product, because this is so beautiful. Like, oh my god, this is literally mousse, okay? It feels so smooth on the skin. It really feels like you're applying mousse on your skin. It makes your skin really nice and buttery, soft and smooth. It gives almost like that velvety finish on your cheeks when you apply this on your cheeks, and this is quite long lasting, okay? If you apply this on your cheeks and your nose, this will stay there throughout the day. If you have oily skin, you can apply thoda sa zyada and then set it with a compact powder or a translucent powder, and this will stay put throughout the day, even on the lips. Now that is what I have on my lips. This is a very pretty bright pink shade, and this instantly brightens my face. That's why I got this. I'm not a big fan of pink and the fuchsia pink and pink wale shades का मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं. I always gravitate towards corals and browns and nudes and all of that, but this instantly caught my eye because this is the shade Plum Feather. Yeah, I was saying this instantly caught my eye when I tried this. I went to the Nykaa store to try this, and this literally brightened my face when I applied it, and I fell in love with this. This is really long lasting. It is very comfortable as well on the lips. It's very comfortable. You won't feel like you're applying something, you've applied something heavy, but again, it is matte, it is long lasting, it is beautiful, and also it is affordable, somewhere around 330 rupees, which is a steal. I got this like a year year and a half back something, उससे भी ज़्यादा I guess, and this has stayed with me for a really long time. इसमें quantity भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा, I don't know what the quantity is, लिखा नहीं है, but quantity भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. You are someone who does not like watery lip and cheek tints like the Face Shop one. The Face Shop one is quite watery, एकदम पानी जैसा है. Then you can go for this. This is kind of creamy, it is moussey, it will not dry your skin out, it will stay for long, it is affordable, it is just a perfect package. I absolutely love this. So that is it for the video, guys. Those were all the makeup recommendations that I had. These are all the products that I swear by. I love all of these products, and I hope you guys found the video helpful as well. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.